Hi everyone, today I've got this card to share with you. It's an autumnal card and I made it using Lawn Fawn stamps, and the stamp set's called Jump for Joy. So first of all I stamped the background and I used these little leaves and little acorns out of the stamp set, and I just kept rotating my card and stamping them, filling in the gaps. I'm a little bit gutted this week because I had a USB where I had like 5 cards that I made and I'd recorded the videos, and I didn't back up the USB to my hard drive, and now the USB is not working anymore. I'm quite sad about it because the USB is really new as well, so it shouldn't have happened. So I've only got this one that I'd got still on my phone, the rest are all gone. So I've got to think up some new ideas now and make some new creations. I'll just have to share pictures of the ones that I've lost the videos for. I used my Spectrum Noir markers and I coloured in all my leaves, and then I went on and coloured in all my acorns too. I felt like the card needed a little bit of something else, so I added some nouveau drops to give it some extra elements. Next I took a die cut stitch circle, and I took a hedgehog critter out of the stamp set and a sentiment and a little love heart as well, and then I just stamped them all onto the stitch circle. And then again I used my markers to colour the little dude in. I felt like the card still needed something else, so I got my spiced marmalade distress oxide ink and I just blended around the edge of the stitch circle just to give it a bit more colour. And then once I'd done that I still wanted to add more, so I went round the border of my card background and did the same again. Then before I glued it down I took some twine and tied a little ribbon around the one side of the card. It's always good to add ribbon or twine before you glue your panel down onto your card base. That way you can tie it round, make it extra secure, and you haven't got to worry about where the back of the ribbon's going to be. Then I adhere my panel down using Cosmic Shimmer Glue. And next I take my little stitch circle with my critter on and add some foam pads to it. I ended up having to add foam pads to the actual card background because of all the nouveau drops, so that I made sure that they were in the right place. And I used foam instead of glue for this just to give it an extra bit of dimension. I decided to do a panel for inside of the card. I don't do this often enough and I really wish that I remembered to add more inserts. It just gives the card an extra special feel. So again I go around the border with my Distress Oxide ink. And then I take those leaves and the acorn and I stamp them in the corner. Then I just adhere that panel inside the card, and I think it just finishes the card off nicely. And that's it, we're all done. I hope you like this autumnal card. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like and don't forget to subscribe. See you again soon.